So the first sentence we have, दोपहर का समय था. It was midday. It was midday. अब भी वक्त है. There is still time. There is still time. मेहमान आने वाले हैं. The guests are to come. The guests are to come. मैं जानबूझकर देर से आया. I came late intentionally. I came late intentionally. कोई दूसरा रास्ता निकालो. Find some other way. Find some other way. वो हंसते हंसते चले गए. He left with a smile. He left with a smile. ये खुशी के पल हैं. It's a moment of joy. It's a moment of joy. अपना इलाज कराओ. Get yourself treated. Get yourself treated. वो मेरी आखिरी उम्मीद है. She is my last hope. She is my last hope. वो एक चुड़ैल है. She is a witch. She is a witch. वो भी मंजूर है. I accept that too. I accept that too. मैं कुछ अलग करती हूँ. I do something different. I do something different. मैं उसकी हरकतों से वाकिफ़ हूँ. I am aware of his antics. I am aware of his antics. सवाल बाद में करना. Question me afterwards. Question me afterwards. किसका फ़ोन था? Whose call was it? Whose call was it? मैं याद दिला दूँगी. I'll remind you. I'll remind you. धमकी किसे दे रहे हैं? Whom are you threatening? Whom are you threatening? उसका बचना नामुमकिन है. It's impossible to save her. It's impossible to save her. जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी. When I was too small. When I was too small. एहसान मानो मेरा. Be thankful to me. Be thankful to me. कुछ बात तो ज़रूर है. Surely it's something. Surely it's something. मुझे आधा घंटा देर हो जाएगा. I'll be late half an hour. I'll be late half an hour. ये हमारी दूसरी मुलाकात है. This is our second meeting. This is our second meeting. सीधी सी बात है. It's simple thing. It's simple thing. कुछ भी बेकार नहीं जाएगा. Nothing will go waste. Nothing will go waste. मुझे बस इतना ही कहना था. That's all I had to say. That's all I had to say. ये उसकी किस्मत है. That's her fate. That's her fate. मुझ में क्या कमी है? What is lack in me? What is lack in me? पार्सल भेज दिया गया है. The parcel has been sent. The parcel has been sent. मैं यहाँ बैठने नहीं आया हूँ. I haven't come here to sit. I haven't come here to sit. उससे रुमाल मांगो. Ask him for a napkin. Ask him for a napkin. Now it's your turn. कुछ बात तो ज़रूर है. इस सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं. थैंक यू.